Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert a photo to an SVG using your iPhone or iPad. The first thing you want to do is have the photo that you want to convert and then open your search engine. You want to go to remove.bg and click on Upload Image and find your image and hit Choose. It will automatically remove the background for you. Then you can go ahead and click on the regular blue download button. You do not need to download the HD version. The quality is just perfect for the free version. So I'm going to click on download and download one more time. If you click up here on the arrow, you can see that it's downloading in here. Go ahead and click on this image and click the bottom left-hand corner and click Save Image to find it easier for the next step. Click on Done. And now go to picsvg.com. Click on Upload Picture and from your photo library and select your image. If you scroll down, you can see that the image has been now converted to an outline. If you scroll up here, there's several options. You can select different options for details along with invert and ready. And depending on the image, I would try all of them to see which one you prefer. This one has some less details. If you go all the way down to ready 3, you can see that the outline gets very dark. Again, there's not a lot of details. This would be easier to weed, but it depends on what you want for the image. I'm gonna go ahead and just select invert 1 here and click on Download SVG and click on Download. If you click on the arrow up here, you can see this file up here, and that is your SVG. Now you can close this. Now you're ready to open your Cricut Design Space app. Click on a new project, click on Upload, Browse Files, and click on the file. Then name it and click Save. Now you can highlight the image and click Insert and resize it to the size that you want. Now that you have made a photo to an SVG, now you're ready to cut using your Cricut. I hope this helps in expanding your ability to craft from your phone or iPad.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.